You can use light key frequencies to heal and prosper. Benefits include improved sense of well-being, clarity, peace, and abundance. Join today to embrace your divinity.
Hi, Nirmala.
Hello, hey, how are you today?
I'm good. How about you? Thank you.
I'm good, thank you. Okay,
Yeah.
go on.
So I have got this thyroid issue from when I was a child from last 20 years.
Okay,
So
okay,
I feel I was a very silent kid when I was in my 10th or something when I've got this thyroid. Yeah.
okay. Fine. What is the issue? Hypo or hyper?
It is a combo. Like sometimes it goes from hypo to hypo, like, and I've got all mixed symptoms
Okay,
for both of them. Yeah.
that's fine. Okay, so what are you receiving from this? Give me the first response. What are you receiving from this?
Stress.
Okay, so what does stress mean to you?
Like I am not, what I feel is I make too many judgments for myself. I do not
Okay,
open up very frequently to people what I am actually,
okay,
and think a
okay,
lot about stuff. Yeah.
okay, okay. So let's see. At what age did you start feeling like this? What is your first memory of your judgment?
From I feel from 12 years, yeah, when I was 12.
Okay. Can you sense that judgment, what it is, what, the memory?
Yeah, like in spite of knowing things, I couldn't speak up. Like I was
Okay.
like what people would think about me if I was wrong in the class. Yeah, so that was.
Okay. Okay. So if a 12-year-old girl comes up and tells you that's how she feels, what would you tell her?
At the moment now I would ask her that yo, you are too confident, it is okay if it is wrong, no issues, you can always correct yourself.
Can you tell your little self that?
Yes.
Okay. So what is she saying?
uh, she is very confident now, she says yes, you can do it.
Okay. So is she willing to grow up?
Yes, she is.
Okay. Can you allow her to grow up and
Yes.
merge with you?
Yes.
Okay. So, can you sense the energy of your thyroid gland
Yes.
in 0 to 10 scale? How well is it? How healthy is it?
It's 7.
Okay. So, what does it require to be 10 out of 10?
It requires still to be more confident about oneself and receive.
Okay. So, what does confidence mean to you?
To open
Where does
up,
confidence come from?
to open up what you know, to go and speak to people about it. When you are good at it, you should accept what you are.
Why should you?
So
Who
that
told you that? Why
for
should you?
oneself, like for oneself, yeah, you know this thing. So why don't you go and open up with people around when you are such a good person? You can do it. So why are you
Why
judging
should you?
yourself?
If you didn't do it, what will
Yeah.
happen?
Oh,
Even if you're good and
yeah.
if you're not open, what would happen?
Nothing. It was
Then why is
no
the
loss.
judgment there?
It
So,
shouldn't. Yeah.
truth, would you really like to open up, or are you trying to open up because people are saying so?
No, I would like to open up.
Okay, so for what reason? What would you receive from opening up?
I would like to contribute what I know, what I am not able to do that. So if I be more like opening up, I would be more contributing to people around.
Okay, so for you to contribute to people,
Yeah.
what do you need? You need people to contribute, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, to what kind of people do you like to contribute to?
Whoever would like to receive.
Okay, so what kind of people do you think would like to receive?
The same energy soul, what I am, with positive
Okay,
vibe. Yeah.
okay. So if there is nobody needs anything,
Yeah.
then what would happen to you?
Nothing.
So have you concluded that people require your contribution?
No.
Then where is the judgment? What are you actually looking for? See, if nobody requires any contribution,
Mm.
if you can contribute, everybody can, right? Nobody is
Yes.
superior, nobody is
Yes.
inferior in grand
Yes.
design.
Yes.
So then where is the judgment there? Why should you contribute? Why should you open? That I'm questioning the should.
Yeah.
I am not questioning your choice to contribute. That is different from
Mm.
I should be contributing. I should be opening up. These are conditions.
Okay.
And where is this coming from? That's what I'm asking. At what age did you feel I should open up?
That was after, I think 20.
Okay. So what would happen if you didn't? Right now, think about it. Okay, nobody requires contribution. Like you, they are infinite awareness.
Yeah.
Okay, if nobody requires contribution, how do you feel about it?
It wouldn't be any difference.
Yeah. So can you be in that space?
Yes.
And can you be willing to simply be a contribution whether you speak up or not? So is the sun talking to you every day? Sun or moon talking to you every day?
No, they don't.
Are they
Yes.
being a contribution?
They are if we take, but of course they are not speaking. Yeah.
So why don't you be a contribution as you are,
Yes.
rather than judging yourself into non-contribution? Can you just simply be, allow you to be whatever you are, whoever you are, whatever is convenient for you right now?
Yes.
If speaking up is comfortable, give yourself permission to speak up.
Yes.
If not speaking up is comfortable for you, give yourself permission.
Okay.
When you give yourself permission to be whatever you like to be, that is the biggest contribution you can be for anyone.
Yes.
Because you are not creating any judgment there. You are not adding any judgment to the universe. You are being in allowance.
Yes.
Okay, can you take a deep
Yes.
breath and let go?
Yes.
Okay, can you look at your thyroid now and tell me how healthy it is?
It's 9.
9. Okay. So what else does it require to be completely healthy and self-sufficient and balanced?
To let go all the emotions, all the negative thoughts.
Okay. So would you allow yourself to let them go?
Yes.
When?
At this moment.
Cool. It's that simple. You
Yes.
don't have to wait for anything.
Yes.
When you are being present and be in complete allowance,
Yes.
then the magic happens.
Yes. True.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
watch out the word should in your vocabulary and in your thinking. whenever there is a should, then you are basically buying into someone else's standard, structure, etc.
Okay.
Okay, just release it. You
Yes.
be whoever you like to be in this moment.
Right. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. Thank you, Deepa.
Thank
for
you so
playing.
much. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Okay, we'll see you somewhere, sometime. Until then, take care. Take good care of yourself, okay? Bye for now. Hey, forgot. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube. That will be of great help. Much appreciation. Thank you.